Hi guys, CJ here. It's Tuesday the 19th of January. Just doing another recap video on a trade I took yesterday, Monday the 18th. Unfortunately, it was another losing position. You can see it hit our stop loss for another 1% loss, which is really frustrating. On a bit of a bad run at the moment, but that's trading, which is why it's really important to manage your risk at all times. If I go to the daily, you can clearly see that we had a strong bull run to the upside. It was actually a 500 pip move from the mid-November. And for me, there hasn't really been any clear correction. It's just had a huge impulse to the upside. So I was expecting, a correction and a pullback. If we go on to the 4 hour, you can clearly see that we had a double top, which is a clear reversal pattern. And you can see that we did break away from this area quite strongly. However, we would have wanted to get into the market at the double top region. However, as soon as I saw a 4 hour body close, I was expecting price to continue to the downside. However, probably inevitable that we were going to have a pullback first, because I marked out this region and here, and we had clearly broken this swing high and this sort of neckline, this region of structure here. So as soon as we broke above that, I was expecting a pullback into this region. You can see with that bullish candle, and then we did start to push back down to the downside, but then we smashed and hit our stop loss, unfortunately. Now I am still bearish on this pair. On the daily, the direction 100% for me has changed to bearish sentiment once we had these two really strong bearish candles. So for me, I do still believe that this is just a pullback before we go lower. Where do I think the maximum I'd like to see price go? If I take a fib from this high to this low, you can see that we have the 78.6% fib, which is at 80.57. So that would be the deepest retracement that I'd be prepared to see. And if it doesn't break above this level, then I would still believe that this pair will push to the downside. Let's just see where price reacts with the 61. We haven't quite tapped that yet. However, you can see that this is also a probable area that we might push away to the downside. But yeah, if price breaches this level, then this setup will be invalidated. However, for me, we've had a push to the downside. This is our pullback, and then I do expect price to come down to these levels. Let's see what today brings. New day, and I hope this video helps. Cheers, guys.